What if I told you that the secret to trading in 2026 lies in one powerful pattern? Forget the clutter caused by indicators. I remember being in the dark despair of being a losing day trader. You know day trading can work, but every indicator you try lets you down. To make matters worse, many of us bought indicators just to lose our hard-earned money with. That is a double compound loss, but that is not going to be your story. I'm about to show you a pattern that will change your trading journey forever. Let's go deeper. All right, y'all. All right. So, for all of my new traders, all right, I understand where you are, okay? I understand that the marketplace have been selling you all of these dreams and telling you just use this indicator, use this strategy, and you're gonna make $1 million. I know that's what the marketplace has been telling you. And I'm so glad that you're here so that I can give you the truth on the matter, all right? I'm JD Hyter, technical analysis strategist. I teach struggling traders how to improve performance through better chart reading. So, what is the one powerful pattern that can truly change your day trading journey today? Let's draw it out. I teach this all the time if you're new to my channel. All right, this is gonna be a refresher for a lot of people, but listen, it is so important for you to understand and for you to just buy into the truth that the market moves in twos. I mean, I know you may have never heard that before. I'm gonna show it to you right now, all right? Because this is good stuff here. If you are new to day trading, what I'm about to show you, it is so good you're watching this video, because what I'm about to show you is a game changer. I mean, I was lost again in the dark despair of being a losing trader, seeing other people say they're winning, whatnot. And I'm just thinking like, this gotta work. You know, I've had winning trades. I know this could work. I just need to get more consistent, but these indicators just ain't cutting it, you know? I was like, these indicators just aren't cutting it. And then I found price action, all right? But even after I found price action, it was months and months before I finally saw the secret sauce, before I saw the pattern that is so powerful, it changes the game, all right? So here it is. Here it is. The market moves in twos. So if we are going up, you're going to get a trend up, a trend break, a retest to new high, okay? The market moves in twos. It's the same pattern coming down. If we're coming down, we're going to get a trend down, trend break, retest to new low. That is the most powerful pattern in trading. I know it looks like just a line, and right now you're saying this guy don't know what he's talking about. Trust me when I say this is leg one, this is leg two, this will be leg one, this will be leg two. So now what you want to do is think of these legs are also called measured moves, all right? So what you will learn, the more and more you trade, the more and more you're in the marketplace. When you see a nice run, a nice trend, okay? Everybody wants to trade trends. And yes, they're the best thing to trade in the marketplace, but they're, you know, it's tricky. When is it trending? When is it not trending? Hey, we teach you all that stuff, but check it out. When you have a trend, let's just say we get one leg up, one move, the market moves in one direction, maybe gives us 8 greens in a row. Hey, that's a trend, especially if we're above the 21 EMA. So when you have a trend, okay, up, that's one leg, all right? So whenever you see, like right here, this is a trend up, that's one leg, because we're standing above the 21 EMA. Prices are continually on a nice 80-degree incline. We're trending up, right? What you would notice, the market never just goes in one direction all the way, right? You're gonna get a trend up and then you get a break. Many times this break will pull back 50%, all right? For those of us who understand Fibonacci retracement, many times once you get a leg up or a trend up, the pullback is gonna come back 50% or so, right? And then the trend will what? Resume, okay? And that's how you get the pattern. That's how you get a trend up, trend break, retest to new high, trend down, trend break, retest to new low. It happens because this is the normal way that the market moves, all right? This is natural price action. No indicators needed. Trust me, believe me when I say, I'm gonna show you no indicators needed other than the trusty best friend, 21 EMA. That tells us what the direction is, all right? And if you don't know that, let me explain something to y'all real quick. For beginners, this is great teaching. So glad you're watching this one. Check it out. When you have a trend, okay, The 21 EMA is going to tell you if we're above the 21 EMA, we're trending up. If we're under it, we're trending down. If the 21 EMA looks like a roller coaster, like it does right now, we are in a range, people. It's that simple, okay? So the 21 EMA helps you know what the market is doing. Are we trending up? Are we trending down? Or are we in a range, right? So the 21 EMA is very important for that, okay? But when you get the pattern, when you start looking for the pattern, the trend up, trend break, retest, it's everywhere. Now, up until this point, you probably just like, this dude is whatever. How can I trade this? How can I make money with this? Glad you asked, all right? So glad you're watching this. Check it out. we just gonna go over some past price action. Today is Wednesday. We're gonna just rock back Monday. See how many times we can find the pattern. Trend down, trend break, retest a new low, or trend up, trend break, retest a new high. Let's just see how many times we find it, all right? And I'm gonna tell you, if you can see this pattern, it's all you need to trade, all right? Let's go hunting. All right, let's just back up to today. Because my call in my community today was that the bias was long because we were already above both key entry levels here and here. So the bias was already long when I sent out the email this morning, and it just stayed like that. But let me show you the pattern. I do have a Discord, by the way. You may not know what I'm talking about. Sorry. In my Discord/community, every morning I send out a market forecast. I let everybody know exactly how I'm reading the market, what the bias is, and probably where the trades are going to come from and what trades they're going to be, because we know what we're doing out here in these streets. So here's the pattern, folks. Trend up. We're above the 21 MA, like I said. It's got a nice angle. That's a clear trend up. Trend break, retest to new high. This high now is higher than that one. Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. There it is. All right, let's keep going. Rearranging. Let's look. Oh, look here. Let's bring this a little closer. There's a couple in here. There's a couple ways to look at this one. Here's one right here. Trend up, trend break, retest a new high. This high is now higher than this one. But do you see the pattern? Trend up, trend break, retest new high. Do you see the pattern? Trend up, trend break, new test, new high. This is a very powerful pattern that can pull you out of the darkness of day trading despair. The market moves in twos. Okay, let's keep going. Let's carry that off. All right, so there was the pattern. So it happens, and this is very important. See, it happens in a small scale, medium scale, large scale. The market moves in twos. So even the retracements, a lot of times you'll see a two-legged correction. The market moves in twos. So let's keep going. Keep on trucking. Let's see, make it tight. Didn't really get one there. Oh, here's another one. Now look at this day. If you had understood that the market moves in twos, look at it. It's so beautiful. The market moves in twos. Here it is, folks. Let your boy draw it for you again. Trend up. This is one leg back, push up, two legs back. Retest a new high. Leg one, leg two, leg one back, leg two back. The market moves in twos. I'm trying to tell you, folks. Do you see this pattern? So how do you trade this? Easy. This is a push down, first entry push down. This is a second entry short. As soon as this candle breaks higher, that's a beautiful, can I get a signal candle? Yes, we can. That's a beautiful signal candle. You already have a leg of this distance. Okay. Remember I said, consider it a measured move. So we already have a measured move from here to here. We would expect another one of the same distance. And we just missed it. Nope, we got it later on in the day. But that's the two-legged move that you would be looking for. So to easily trade this, to pull yourself out of the darkness of day trading, losing despair, trade the second leg. That's it. All right. That is how you, as a brand new day trader, get in the game. Take all them indicators off your chart. Don't fall into bad common trading knowledge, and use this powerful pattern the trend up, trend break, retest the new high, part of the IOTS protocol to get you on the right path. I mean, look at that thing. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Here it is again, folks, just so you can see it. Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. Okay, let's see if we can find some more because it happens every single day. Because this is how the market moves. If it's not moving in this pattern, you're in a range. Here it is again. Here's a bigger one. Here's a bigger one. Because remember, I said these happening on all types of scales. So here's another one from right here. Trend down. This is a clear trend break. It broke so hard, most people thought it was going to reverse, which is why most people lose, get trapped, right? But this is a trend down, trend break, retest the new low. I mean, I can't make this stuff up. Let's measure it. Let's measure the legs. Measured move. This is leg 1. This is leg 2. Just missed it. Just missed it. Let's keep going. Oh, that's it. That's stuck. I'm stuck on the day. There's another one though. Smaller one. Because remember, it's happening at different. It's happening everywhere. But here's another one. So you can see it. So we've had a few. We've had here's a trend down. Trend break, clear trend break, retest the new low. Now let's measure it. See if it's about the same distance. Because these are measured moves. It's a measured move. When the market finally moves, measure the leg, you're going to get another one. Barely missed it because the market moves in twos. All right, so hey, listen, that was very powerful stuff. As a new trader, you may not even understand what I just showed you. As a seasoned trader, you may have one eyebrow up and don't believe it's that simple. It is. Take those indicators off of your chart. Practice looking for measured moves. Start to identify that first leg. Wait. Hear me clearly. Once you learn to identify the first leg, then you have to learn to wait for the two-legged correction. It's going to be two legs many times. Sometimes it's just going to be one to leave you, and that's going to frustrate you. That's trading. You have to learn, right? But wait for the two-legged correction, and then once you get a strong signal candle headed back in the direction of that first leg, it is go time, folks. And then when you really get good at this, in no time, you're going to be screaming, easy money. You're going to see it coming. You know you got a second leg coming. You're going to enter the trade. You're going to put your stop outside of structure. You're going to feel comfortable with that because you know it really should not come back. And then when it takes off and you know exactly why it took off, you knew it was going to take off. You knew exactly where it was going to go to. You had a measured leg. All of a sudden, you start to feel like a market profit. And next thing you know, you're consistently pulling it down. All right, so listen. If you need a little help on your journey, I have a guide that really can get you started on this, okay? It's called Finally Funded. I made it to help struggling traders pass prop firm challenges so you don't have to put up your own funds anymore. Pass a prop firm challenge, get a funded account, and be off to the races, all right? I'm an affiliate with Take Profit Trader, proudly, all right? I've been with them for over a year now. Them payouts still coming daily like we like. So, hey, roll with Take Profit Trader. Use code 1121 to get signed up with that. All right, now, if you need that help though, so if you want to get started on the right foot, all right, not with that bad common trading knowledge, but if you want to get started with information that can truly help you on your trading journey, just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. So that's going to wrap it up for today. I will be back tomorrow. We'll look at the charts again and try to get everybody on the right page. Take them indicators off. Stick with the IOTS protocol. Understand that this cycle here, this pattern here is all you need. If you can learn this pattern, you can change some keys, all right? Next thing you know, you're going to be taking trips and buying whips. So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.